Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adyan. I hope all of you are fine. Okay. So today in this particular video we shall be summarizing all the chapters which we discussed in our previous videos. That is, first one is exponent and powers, second one is algebraic expression and its identities, and the third one is percentage and its application. Okay, that is, from all the chapters we will discuss some problems so that the concept got cleared. Okay, so our first chapter was exponent and power. So let's discuss something about exponent and powers. So exponent and powers. So basically, what was exponent and power? This exponent and power came, or the word came from that is when a number is multiplied many times, isn't it? When a number is multiplied many times, for example 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, here here which number is multiplied? Here 2 is multiplied. In exponent 2 is multiplied, and how many times it is multiplied? It is multiplied 4 times, so we write here 4. Clear? Okay, so what is the position of this? That is, 2 is in which position? It is in the position of base. Okay, where we have written 2, this position is known as, or this place is known as base, and where we have written 4, this position is known as exponent. Okay, now okay, let's write exponent. This one is exponent, exponent exponent, and this one is known as base. Okay, exponent or power, POW or power or index, whatever you want to say, you can call. Okay, that is the number which is in the degree. Okay, in geometry we can say write that 60 degree, that is the number in the top. Okay, this is known as exponent or power or index, and this is known as base, and together exponent and base is known as what? Exponential form. Okay, this number is in this is in, for example 2 into 2 is how much? 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 16. Okay, so 16 can be written in this form. Okay, this form is known as exponential form. Clear? Okay, now if I ask what is the exponent? Okay, for example in 2 power 4, in 2 power 4, what is the exponent? What is the exponent? exponent. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 4, isn't it? Because this is known as exponent. Or if I ask what is the power, your answer will be 4. Or if I ask what is the index, your answer will be 4. Now if I ask in 2 power 4 what is the base, which is the base, your answer will be what? 2, because this is known as base. Clear? Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, what is exponent and what is power and what is the exponential form. Exponential form, that is exponent plus base, is known as what? Exponential form. Clear? Okay. Okay, now how did we for example a number is given. Okay, a number is given. Now if it is asked to express it in the exponential form, if it is asked to express in the exponential form, for example 16. Okay, 16, express 16 as exponential form or in exponential form. Okay, in exponential TIL exponential form, that is, here we have to express 16 in the exponential form. Okay, so how to express a number in the exponential form? We have to find out the factors of 16. Okay, that is with which number, that is multiplying which number we can get 16. This is known as factors. Clear? Okay, so how to find out the factors? This one is very easy. 16, this 16 is divisible with 2, isn't it? 2 into 8 is 16. Now 8 is 2 into 4 is 8. Here 2 into 2 is 4, isn't it? So this means what? These are the 2, 2, 2, 2, that is 4 times 2 is the factors of 16, isn't it? That is, if we multiply the factors, we will get the number. Look here, if we multiply the 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Clear? Okay, so we can write as 16 as 16 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals 2 power 4. Clear? This is how we can express a number or express a rational number in the exponential form. Clear? Okay, let's next come multiplicative inverse. Your second question is multiplicative inverse. Okay, what is multiplicative inverse? As I discussed in the earlier that is when we discussed about of the chapter multiplication, as I told you that for example if a is a number, okay, if a is a number, its multiplicative inverse will be 1 by a. Just the reciprocal of that number is known as multiplicative inverse. Okay, what did I told you? If a is a number, its multiplicative inverse will be 1 by a. Okay, multiplicative inverse will be 1 by a. Now if we multiply a number with its multiplicative inverse, if we multiply a number with its multiplicative inverse, the result will always be 1. The result will always be 1. If we multiply a number with its multiplicative inverse, the result will always be 1. Look here, if we multiply a with its multiplicative inverse, what is the multiplicative inverse of a? Its multiplicative inverse is 1 by a. So look, if we multiply a into 1 by a, okay, so if we multiply it numerator into numerator, a into 1 is a, divided by a cancel, result is 1. Clear? If a question comes here, write the multiplicative inverse of, for example, 7, your result will be what? 1 by 7. Clear? So multiplicative inverse for every number, that is, now we can't give example like this. A represent what? Every number, okay. In place of a, if we write any number, 10, 100, -10, -6, or any other number, your result multiplicative inverse of that number will be 1 by a. Just divide the given number with 1. Clear? This is known as also reciprocal also. If a question comes, that is, find out the reciprocal, so it's 1. You have to divide the number with 1. Clear? Okay. So now let's solve one more question, that is, by what number should -6 be multiplied so that the product is 2 power 27 power -1. Okay. Our next number, by which number, okay, by which number -6 to the power 1 should be multiplied, multiplied, multiplied. By which number -6 power 1 should be multiplied, sorry, -6 power -1 should be multiplied so that the product is 27 power 1. So that the product here, DUCD product is 27 power -1. Okay. So here what did the question ask? That is, by which number -6 power 1 should be multiplied. That is, product means what? Product means if we multiply two numbers, the result is known as the product. Okay. So here one number is given, that is -6 power 1 is given, and the other number, we have to find out the other number. Okay. That is, the product of this and the other number must be this one. So what is that number? So in maths we generally consider let the other number is x. Okay. So here also we will consider let the number be x. Okay. Let the number be x. Okay. Now if we multiply -6 power 1 with x, we will get the result 27 power 1. Clear? From that we can find out the value of x. Okay. So according to question, we can say, isn't it, that is -6 power 1 into x equals 27 power -1. Clear? Okay. So if power is -1, so that is a power -n, it can be written as what? 1 by -6 into x equals 1 by 27. Clear? Okay. Now look here. Okay. We can write here another line. Look, numerator into numerator, this x is numerator, isn't it? So if rational number, okay, so if we find two numbers like this, we will multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So here x into 1 is x, and -6 into here 1, every number has a denominator 1, so -6 into 1 is -6, then equals 1 by 27. Clear? Okay. So now look, we have to find out the value of x, isn't it? We no need to find out the value of that is x by -6. Okay. So to find the value of x, we have to remove this -6, isn't it? Now here, how to remove? We have a rule. If it is divided, if a number is divided, if we change the side, it will be multiplied. If it is subtracted, if it will be added, like this, isn't it? Okay. So here -6 is what? Divided, isn't it? So when we change the side, it will be multiplied. Okay. Or this is number is in denominator, isn't it? When you change the side, it will go to the numerator. Okay. So it will be x equals 1 into -6. Okay. 1 into -6 by 27. Now look, x equals -6 by 27. Now we can cancel with 3, isn't it? 3 into -2. Okay, 3 into -2. Sorry. 3 into minus 2 by 3 into 9. Okay, 3 into minus 2 is 6, isn't it? And 3 into 9 is 27. So now we can write x equals minus 2 by 9. Clear? Minus 2 by 9. Okay, that is other number is minus 2 by 9. So if we multiply minus 2 by 9 with that is this one, will get the result. So let's have a look. So now we'll write, therefore the other number is, therefore we'll write here, therefore the number is minus 2 by 9. Okay, let's have a check. Let's check this. Here now we'll multiply this number with 6 to the power minus 1. We'll get the result. Look what will get the result. Look, minus 6, 6 to the power minus 1 is what? 1 by 6, isn't it? 1 by 6 into minus 2 by 9. Okay, minus 2 by 9. Look, numerator into numerator, minus 2, 6 into 9 is how much? 6 into 9 is 54, isn't it? 6 into 9 is 54. Okay, 6 and 54. Now we can cancel, isn't it? Cancel. 7 into 1 is 7, sorry, 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 4, isn't it? Then 1 4, 2 into 7 is 14, isn't it? Okay, 2 into 7 is 14. Now here 6 into 9, minus minus cancel, so what is it? 1 by 27, isn't it? Look, 1 by 27. Clear? So that means the value which we got of x is correct. Clear? Okay, so now let's solve one more question from this. We will solve many questions. Okay, I hope this class will be a long one, and I also hope you will you will cooperate with me. Okay, let's solve the questions one by one, and if you have any doubt, you ask me, and we will discuss it in our next class. Okay, if possible. Clear? Okay. So okay, next for example 7, if a equals minus 2, question number 7, if a equals minus 2, okay, if a equals minus 2, b equals 3, evaluate, evaluate number 1. Okay, that is 25a power minus 3, isn't it? 25a power minus 3. Here what is given? Value of the, that is the value of the variables is given. Okay, value of the variables is given. Now using that value we have to evaluate, that is we have to find out the value. Okay, so let's write your solution. Now 25, now this is multiplied with a, now a means what? A means minus 2 power minus 3, so it will be 25 into a power minus n is what? 1 by a, so 1 by a power n, isn't it? This is a power minus n, isn't it? A power minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power n. Okay, so here power will be positive, isn't it? So now 25 into 1 by 2 minus 2 power 3 means what? Minus 8, isn't it? So numerator there is 25 by minus 8. Clear? Okay. Let's solve few more problems from this chapter. Okay, now we will find out the values, or now let's simplify. Now our next question is simplify. Okay, so here is our next question, which one is simplify. Simplify means what? That is we have to take this expression in the simplest form. Okay, so here these are the exponent, isn't it? So while multiplying the exponent or while simplifying the exponent, the base must be same, isn't it? Or base must be same, or this power must be same, isn't it? So here look, in general here base is 2, this one is 5, this one is 5 and 2, isn't it? So but here base is 10 and here it is 25. Okay, so now if we take this, if we make the base, that is if we make this base 2, okay, or 2 or 5, then it will be helpful for us, okay, to simplify. And this one also, if we express this number in the exponential form, it will be better for us to express this in the simplest form. Clear? Now try to understand that how can I make this base. Okay, how can I make this 10 to the power 2 as base 2 and 5. Okay, how can I make this base, that is how can I change the base, or okay, so let's have a look. So right here solution, look, here 2 power minus 3 into 5 power minus 3, okay, 5 power minus 3. Now 10 can be written as what? 10 can be written as 2 into 5, isn't it? So right here 2 into 5, in place of 10 just we have written 2 into 5, and its power was, power was 2, so its power is 2. Now 25 can be written as 5 square, isn't it? Okay, in denominator it is 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 5. Clear? Okay. So now look, a to the power minus n. A to the power minus n can be written as what? 1 by a to the power n. Okay, next into again a to the power minus n. Again it can be written as 1 by a to the power n. Okay, again this 2 power 2. Now here we are removing the bracket. Okay, so it will be 2 power 2 into 5 power 2. Okay, next into 5 power 2. In denominator we have 5 power 4 into a power minus n. It will be what? It will be reciprocal. Okay, so this will be 2 power 5. Clear? Okay. So look, now all the base is either base is 2 or 5. Now we can easily simplify it. Okay, here base will take this common base, that is a power m into a power n. Okay, we'll solve, we'll multiply the form having the base, same base. Clear? Okay, because we know there is one formula, isn't one relation, that is a power m into a power n equals a power m plus n, isn't it? And another was a power m divided by a power n equals a power m minus n. Okay, we'll use these two relation here, okay, to simplify it. So look here, 1 into 1 is nothing. Let's neglect this. Now a power m into a power n equals will be what? A power m into a power n will be what? A power m plus n. Okay, so it will be 2 plus 5. Next is into, now again here a power m into a power n, so it will be a power m plus n. Okay, here m and n are same. In denominator we have 2, here we have no more exponential form having 2. Okay, so we'll keep it like this, 2 power 3 same. Next is what? Again look, a power m into a power n, it will be what? A power m plus n, so it will be 3 plus 4. Clear? Okay, here which formula we have used? We have this one, very important. Okay, these two formulas are very important to solve. All the formulas are important, all the relation. So look here, 2 power 2 plus 5 is how much? 7, isn't it? 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, 2 plus 5. Okay, let me check the question. This 2 power minus 3, 5 power minus 3, 10 square 25, 5 power 4, 2 power minus 5. Okay, 2 power 7 into 5 power 4. Okay, 5 power 4. Now look, in denominator we have 2 power 3 into 5 power 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. Okay, now a power m divided by a power n. A power, this one is a, this one is m, this one is a, this one is n. So this one is a power m divided by a power n is what? A power m minus n, isn't it? So it will be a power m minus n, then into a power m minus n. Okay, okay. So now look, 7 minus 3 is how much? 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is how much? 4, isn't it? So right here 2 power 4, then into 5 power 4 minus 7 is how much? It is minus 3. Okay, okay. So now look, this look, 2 power 4 into a power minus n can be written as 1 by a power n. Okay, so 2 power 4 is how much? 16 into 1 by this 5 to the power 3 means what? 125, isn't it? 125, so it is 16 by 1 to 5. Clear? So this is the simplest form. Now no more, there is, now we can't simplify it further. Clear? Okay, I hope this is clear to you, right? How to simplify a expression. Okay, now let's move to our next question, that is question number 4 of our exercise 2.2. Here the question is find out the value of m. Okay, here what we have to do, we have to find out the value of m. Okay, so let's find out, that is the for example here, for example, if let's have a look at the question and then you will understand what I want to say. Okay, find out the value of m. Here this m or n or any alphabet will be given the exponential form, that is the exponent. Okay, it will be given the exponent and we have to find out the value of that power or exponent. Okay, so let's write out the question. Find the value of m. Okay, we have to find out the value of m. So our first expression is, or okay, expression is number 1, 3/7 whole power minus 6 into 3/7 whole power 10 equals 3/7 whole power 2m. Okay, so here we have to find out the value of that m. Clear? Okay, so again this relation, we will use this relation, very important relation. Okay, that is a power m into a power n, very important. Okay, so look here, a is which one? A is 3/7, that is a power m into a power n. Okay, so here in RHS we have only one number, isn't it? So we'll keep it apart and now we'll solve this one. Okay, after solving this one, look how do we solve. Clear? So here we'll consider a as 3/7. Okay, so if it is a power m into a power n means what? A power m into a power n is what? A power m plus n, isn't it? A power m plus n. So we'll write here a power m. Look how I write, a power m plus n equals 3/7 power 2m. Clear? Okay, now what can we write? 3/7 minus 6 plus 10 will be what? Minus 6 plus 10 is how much? Plus minus is minus, 10 minus 6 is how much? 4, and sign will be of the greater one. Here greater number is what? 10, and 10 is positive, so it will be plus. Clear? It will be 3/7 whole to the power 2m. Now look one thing, here we have equal sign, isn't it? Here we have equal sign, that means this 3/7 whole power 4 equals 2/7 whole power 7, isn't it? Okay, since this is equal sign, that means left hand side equals right hand side. Clear? Now again look here, base. Okay, which one is the base? 3/7. Here also base is 3/7, that means both of them are same, isn't it? So base is same, in middle we have equal sign, that means their power is also same. Okay, if power was not same, that means here there will be not be an equal sign, here it will be not equal sign. Okay, now since there is equal sign, moreover base is also same in both left hand side as well in the right hand side, base is same, isn't it? Look at the word 3/7, base is same. Now we have power, that is we have equal sign, that means this 4, their power is also same. Okay, their power is also same. Clear? So we'll write here, now that is 4 equal to m. Okay, 4 equal to m. Now we have to find out the value of m, isn't it? Not the value of 2m. So we have to remove this 2. Now here 2 is multiplied with m, isn't it? So when we change the side, it will be divided. So 4 divided by 2 equals m. Okay, so now 4 divided by 2 is how much? 2 equals m. So here value of m is how much? 2, isn't it? So right, value of m is 2. Clear? Value of m is 2. Okay. Let's solve one more and I hope you will be cleared. Okay, please, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Okay, how did I solve this? Here we have considered this 3/7 is a. Okay, when we have relation a power m into a power n, isn't it? Here a power m into a power n is what? A power m plus n. Okay, so minus 6 plus 10 is how much? Minus 6 plus 10 is plus 4. Okay, now since their base is same, it is given that equal sign, that is left hand side equals right hand side, that it means their power must be same. Okay, if power was not same, it would have been not equal. Clear? But since it is equal, so their 4 equals to m also. Now this we have to find out the value of m, isn't it? So we'll remove this 2. Okay, so how to remove? We have to remove it in a process, isn't it? Okay, so here 2 is multiplied, so when we change the side it go divide. Now we have find out the value of m as 2. Clear? Okay, let us solve one more and I hope you will be more clear then. Okay, let's take one more question. Again, find out the value of m. Okay, find out the value of m. Number 2. Okay, this one is 2 by 9. 2 by 9 power 4 into 2 by 9 power minus 7 equals 2 by 9 power 2m plus 1. Okay, 2m plus 1. Here also we have to find out this value of this m. Clear? So again, same way, same process, same thing, everything is same. Okay, here a, this one is a is here 2 by 9. Okay, here a is 2 by 9. Clear? So again we will use this relation, and if needed we will also use that relation also. Okay, so now let's find out the value of m. So we'll write here solution. Now a power m into a power n is what? A power m into a power n, it is a power m. Look, a power m into a power n. Here n is minus 7, isn't it? So look how we write a power m plus n. Okay, sorry, it is minus 7, m plus n. Clear? Many of you do one mistake, that is you will write it like this, that is 2 power that is 2 by 9 power, you will write it like this 4 plus 7. Okay, not this one is wrong, because here n is minus 7. Okay, so you have to put the minus sign. Clear? This minus sign is must. If you don't put the minus sign, your value will be another one, your value will got changed, isn't it? So you will not find the correct value of m. Okay, so you have to look about it. Okay, here minus 7, so you have to put minus 7 equals 2 by 9 power 2m plus 1. Clear? Okay, now look, this 2 by 9 power 4 plus minus is how much? 4 plus minus is minus 7. 4 minus 7 equals 2 by 9 power 2m plus 1. Clear? Same process in as of earlier. Here base is same, in middle we have equal sign, so this 4 minus 7 equals 2m plus 1, isn't it? So 4 minus 7 is how much? 4 minus 7, it is minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 7 is minus 3. How? This one is 4 is plus, isn't it? So plus minus is minus, 7 minus 4 is how much? 7 minus 4. Okay, let me write one more step. It will be 2 power 9. This one is plus, plus minus is minus, 7 minus 4 is 3, isn't it? 3. Now we will sign off the greater number. Here greater number is 7 and 7 is negative. So it is 2 by 9 power minus 3 equals 2 by 9 power 2m plus 1. Now understood how this minus 3 came? Clear? Now base same, we have middle, we have equal sign, so that is minus 3 equals 2m plus 1. Okay, so we will write minus 3 equals 2m plus 1. Clear? Now we have to find out the value of m, isn't it? So 1 by 1 we will remove this, that is 1 and 2. Okay, so here to first we will remove 1. So here 1 is added, isn't it? So when we change the side it will be subtracted. So it will be minus 3 minus 1 equals 2m. Okay, so minus minus it is plus, so it will be minus 4 equals 2m. Clear? So now, okay, so now here 2 is multiplied, isn't it? Now we have to change 2 also, that is we have to remove 2 also, that is we can find out the value of m, isn't it? Now here 2 is multiplied, so when we change the side it will be divided, so it will be minus 4 divided by 2 equals m. Okay, so it is 2 minus 2. Okay, so this one will be minus 2 equals m. Now value of m is what? Value of m is minus 2. Okay, so that therefore value of m is minus 2. Clear? Value of m is minus 2. Now we have solved, that is we have find out the value of m, isn't it? Now let's evaluate 2 more questions like this, 2 more exponential form like this. Okay, that is now we have to evaluate one more relation. Okay, very easy step. I hope you have understood, isn't it? That is how to find out the value of m or whatever necessary. Okay, First we have to that is for finding the value of m, we have to take this in this form, okay, that is a form, okay, that is a power m into a power n. If a power m divided by a power n, okay, we have to take this exponential form in that form. Clear? If we can if it is already given in that form, then it is very easy, as it was given in our question, isn't it? This question was already given in that form. Clear? Okay, so we just use that relation, that is a power m into a power n equals a power m plus n, isn't it? Using that relation we have find out the values, isn't it? In both the cases we have used the same relation. Okay, okay. So now let's evaluate two more relations like this. Okay, so our question will be evaluate the following. Clear? Evaluate. Okay, evaluate, evaluate, evaluate. Okay, so let's write one expression. Number 1, 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 3 whole power minus 3, then third bracket divided by 1 by 4 power minus 3. Clear? 1 by 4 power minus 3. So how to evaluate this or how to solve this? Okay, how to solve this? Look at the board. Here there is power is minus, isn't it? Power is minus. So we know that is a power minus n, isn't it? It can be written as 1 by a to the power n, isn't it? 1 by a to the power n. So here it will be 1 by in place of a, it will be what? This will be what? 1 by here a is what? 1 by 2, isn't it? Here a is 1 by 2. In this case a is what? 1 by 3. In this case a is what? 1 by 4, isn't it? So it will be what? 1 by, let for example it will be 1 by 2 power 3, isn't it? 1 by 2 power 3. So now this 2 will with the reciprocal, okay, 2 will go in the numerator, so it will be 2 by 1 power 3, isn't it? 2 by 1 power 3. So in denominator we no need to write 1, so directly we will write 2 power 3. Clear? Okay, so we will write solution. Here a power minus n, isn't it? Here we will change the, if a fraction is like this, okay, if we have a fraction, okay, if we have a fraction and the there is power is negative, if we have a fraction and the power is negative, so to make the power positive, bring the numerator in the denominator, bring the numerator in the denominator and denominator to the numerator. Okay, so here numerator is what? Numerator is 1, so it will take 1 in the denominator, and denominator is 2, it will take 2 to the numerator. Okay, so denominator 1 no need to write, so we'll write here like this, 2 power 3. Okay, now power, this power from negative it became positive. Clear? Okay, next is it will be 3 power 3. Okay, 3 power 3. Clear? Okay, now give third bracket, next divided 4 power 3. Clear? 4 power 3. So now look, 2 power 3 is how much? 2 power 3 means what? 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, 8 minus 3 power 3 is how much? 27. Okay, 27. Clear? 27. Okay, so now next is divided by 4 power 3 is how much? 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64. Clear? 64. Okay. Okay, so here 8 minus 27 is how much? 8 minus 27 is 19, isn't it? Minus 19, so it will be minus 19 divided by 64. So now minus 19 divided by 64 equals what? Minus 19 divided by 64. So this is the simplest form. Clear? So very easy question, isn't it? Just if one thing we have to know, if power is negative, there is a power minus n, can be written as 1 by 2 to the power n, isn't it? So ultimately the denominator will go to the numerator. Okay, there is one shortcut technique, the short trick. If power is negative, and this is what? This is a fraction. Okay, to make the power positive, we have to take the numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. Okay, so we have done this thing here, and then we have evaluation. Okay, then this is the simplest form, isn't it? Now we can, if can we express it, can we solve it more further? No. Clear? Okay, Let's do one more, and I hope you will be more clear. Very easy questions, okay? These are the very easy questions. Let's solve one more, number 2. Okay, number 2. 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1, in bracket, whole bracket, power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1. Very interesting, very easy. Okay, so a power minus n can be written as what? 2 power minus 1 is what? 1 by 2 into 3 power minus 1 is what? 1 by 3, and give whole bracket minus 1, then 4 power minus 1 is what? 1 by 4. Okay, so numerator 1 by numerator into numerator, to only multiply two fractions, okay, or fractions numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 3 is how much? 6, 2 into 3 is 6, then whole power minus 1 into 1 by 4. So as I told you earlier, that is if we have a base fraction and power is negative, so to make the power positive, we have to take the denominator to the numerator and numerator to the denominator. Okay, so we'll do the same thing here also. Okay, so here the denominator is 6, isn't it? So it will be numerator 6 and power is 1. Okay, so 6 into 1 by 4. Now again 6 by 4. Now 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So it is 3 by 2. Now is it clear how to evaluate such expressions? Okay, very good. Now let us solve one more question. That is find out the value of m, okay, or value of p, whatever you can say. That is find out the value of p. Value of m we have discussed earlier, isn't it? Value of p, value of m, all things. Okay, you can get question like this: find out the value of a, find out the value of x or y or anything. Okay, find out the value of p. So here our question is find out the value of p. Okay, find out the value of p. Okay, find out the value of p. Clear? Okay. So the question is, if find out the value of p is minus 2 power p plus 1 into minus 2 power p equals minus. Clear? In earlier cases, in the earlier previous one, here both side was in the exponential form, isn't it? But here only this left hand side in the exponential form and right hand side is not in the exponential form. So what to do? We have to make this in the exponential form. Okay, to find out the value of p. Why? Because here p is in the power, p is in exponent, isn't it? So here nothing is in exponent, so how can we solve it? Clear? So now we have to make this minus 8 in the, that is we have to express minus 8 in the exponential form. The rest are the same thing. Okay, that is a power m into a power m. This dot is what? M. Okay, into. Clear? So look, solution a power m, look, a power m plus a power m, this one is m, isn't it? M plus n. Okay, equals minus 8 can be written as minus 2 power n. Isn't it? Minus 2 power 3. Clear? Okay. So here p plus p is how much? 2p. So it is 2p equals 3. Then because power are same, isn't it? Base is same, in middle we have equals to power relation. P plus p is 2p plus 1. 2p plus 1 equals 3. Now we have to find out the value of p, isn't it? So 1 by 1, the remaining we will change the sign or we will keep of it. So here 1 is positive, isn't it? So when you change the sign, it will be plus, minus, 3 minus 1. So 2p is how much? 3 minus 1 is 2. So p is how much? P is 2 by 2. So p is 1. Therefore value of p is 1. Very interesting question, isn't it? So this only thing is different, that is here in the earlier one we have into, that is now here dot is equal, dot represent product. Okay, we have to multiply, and in the earlier one both side was in exponential form. Okay, but here only one side is exponential form. But so now we have to take this minus 8 in the exponential form also. We know how to express a number in the exponential form, isn't it? So minus 8 means what? Minus 2 power 3. Clear? Okay. Okay, let us solve one more question from this chapter. Again, simplify. Okay, simplify. And the next topic is what? Standard form. Isn't it? Standard form of a number. We will also discuss about it. What is the standard form? Clear? Okay, let's solve one more, that is simplify. Number 14. It is question number 14 from your textbook 2.2, and the question is simplify. Okay, simplify. 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 Simple. Isn't it? One song is there, isn't it? Minus 4 power minus 2 into 4 power minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so here power is minus 2, isn't it? Power is minus 2, so to make it positive, so a power minus n can be written as 1 by a power n, isn't it? 1 by a power n. Okay, into fraction, isn't it? So numerator denominator and denominator numerator, isn't it? Power will be positive. Clear? I told you earlier, isn't it? If there is a fraction and if the power is negative, numerator numerator interchange the position and the power will be positive. Okay, and if it is that only a number, okay, it will be divided by 1. Clear? Okay, so look, this will be what? 1 divided by minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 2 is what? Minus 4 into minus 4. Now minus 4 into minus 4, it is what? 16, isn't it? 1 by 16 into this minus 2 into minus 2 is what? 4. 3 into 3 is 9, isn't it? So it is what? 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 4 divided by 16 into 9. Clear? So 4 into 1, 4. 4 4 is 16. So it is 1 by 4 into 9 is 36. Clear? 1 by 36. Now you can take this 1 by 36 like this also, 36 power minus 1. Whatever you want, very easy. Okay, very easy question, isn't it? Okay, so now let's move to the last concept of this exponent in power, that is the standard form. What is the standard form? Clear? What is the standard form? Like exponential form was what? A power minus n, sorry, a to the power m, isn't it? This was the exponential form. And what was standard form? Standard form is a into 10 power n, isn't it? If a number is expressed like this, that is a into 10 power n. Okay, a into 10 power n, a into 10 power n. This is known as standard form. This form is known as standard form. What? Standard, STANDARD, standard form. Okay, standard form. Clear? Okay, and that form was known as what? A power n. This form is known as what? Exponential form. Clear? EXPONENTIAL, exponential form. Okay, this form is known as standard form. This form is known as exponential form. Okay. Okay, one more thing. If a power is like this, if a number is in exponential form, that is a power 0. A power 0 means what? A power 0 means 1. Clear? Remember this. A power 0 means 1. Okay. Okay, let's come to our main topic. What is the standard form? Standard form is what? A power 10 to the power n. If a number is expressed in this form, then this number is known as a power standard form. Okay, in standard form, there is a rule, that is after one digit we have to put the decimal. Okay, after one digit we have to put the decimal. So let's take a number, for example 2 6 7 8 3 4 000. Okay, how to express this number in the standard form? Okay, let's have a look. So as a rule, we have to put the decimal after one digit, isn't it? So write solution. So put decimal 2 6 7 8 3 4 000. So we have to put decimal after one digit. So we have put decimal 6 7 8 3 4 000. Now look, this number is what? 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 26 crore, 78 lakh, 34,000, isn't it? But this number is 2.6783400, less than 3. So this value got changed, isn't it? So not to change the value. Okay, so not to change the value, we have to multiply the number with a given number, isn't it? So with which number we will multiply? Look, in our previous classes we have solved many questions like this. Okay, for example 6.56. So to remove the decimal, we have multiplied with 100, isn't it? If it was 6 plus 6.5, we have multiplied with 10, isn't it? That is, we have seen there is, if after decimal, if there is 2 digit, we have multiplied with We have multiplied with 100. If after decimal is 1 digit, we have multiplied with 10, isn't it? So here after decimal, how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to multiply it with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a number which has 8 zeros, isn't it? A number which is 8 zeros, we have to multiply it with number. So now if you multiply this number with this, the number will be this. Okay. So now did its value got changed? No, its value didn't got changed. Clear? Okay. So now look, after decimal, no need to write the value of 0. Value of 0 means after decimal we no need to write the 0. Okay. So it will be 2.6784. Okay. Into this can be written as what? 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 to the power 8. Clear? So this is your a into 10 to the power n. So this is the standard form of that number. Clear? This standard form of a number is generally used to express large number, isn't it? Basically this standard form is used by the in astronomy, okay, because the distance between one planet or one star to the other star is very large, isn't it? So it is not possible to write all this, that is 2, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 3, 0, because 100 zeros are there, isn't it? So is it possible to write like this 100 numbers, 100 digits? So we have taken this number as the standard, okay, or you can this standard form can be said as scientific notation also, scientific notation, because this standard form is basically used by scientists. Clear? Okay. So this was the basic overview of the chapter, that is exponent and power. Clear? So in the beginning I told you that we will complete the whole syllabus, that is the remaining 2 chapters also will complete, but it is not possible because you can look, this is already a long class, isn't it? So the remaining 2 chapters we will complete in our next class. Clear? So before that you practice all these questions, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, this was, I hope you can solve any questions from this chapter, because we have solved all the types of questions, isn't it? First, how to express a number in the exponential form, then what was the multiplicative inverse, then that is if we multiply a number with other number, we have find out the which one is the other number, then we have find out the value of m, isn't it? Then we have simplified some questions, then we have evaluated some questions, then we have discussed some formulas, okay, like this, that is this, you have to remember this relation, okay. Now what was the reciprocal of this number, reciprocal of that, we also discussed this. Now again at last we have discussed what is the standard form of a number. Clear? So today let's end it here, and the remaining chapters we will discuss in our next class. So before that, stay safe, stay blessed, tata, bye bye.